Wow, 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 wow. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Sensei Vegan. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I tell you what, it is so effing hot in here. I'm telling you, it's too hot to be cooking in my kitchen. So what I want to do for y'all, I'm going to make a smoothie. Okay, that is what's on the menu. I'm going to make a smoothie. So let's get with these ingredients. All right, follow me over here. I'm telling y'all, man, I don't know what's going on with the heat factor up here in Jersey, but it is just wicked hot, okay? So I'm going to keep it nice, cool, and light tonight in my kitchen. All right, so we're going to make this smoothie. I'm going to get with these ingredients, all right? Right here, baby. People think I'm nuts. People think I'm crazy. They think I'm a loco, insane, and in membrane, but I'm not. Some plantain, some yellow, sweet, ripe plantain. I can't tell y'all how this tastes in a smoothie. It makes it sweet. It makes it nice and silky smooth. I kid you not. I'm using 2 of these, okay? I'm using some, and I like to play with different flavors to see how things are going to taste. I don't like doing conventional things, okay? This is Fiji apple cold pressed juice. Only thing in here are Fiji apples. This is made by Red Jacket. I'm not, again, sponsored by this company, but this is some good stuff, okay? And just some coconut water. You can use any brand of coconut water. 3 bananas. Again, I'm so sorry. My bananas aren't 100% ripe. They're not spotted. I usually eat spotted bananas when I put them in my smoothie. I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry. What am I supposed to do? I don't have no spots on them. But anyway, I'm going to use them because this is all I have. Okay? Deal with it. Last but not least, I got some berry medley. Okay? Berry medley. All natural, no sugar added, blah, 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 blah. Who's on the phone? This is strawberries, blueberries, blackberry, and raspberries. Okay? That's what's in here. Now, I don't want to make this long. This video is too long. So let's get started. First things first, make sure your blender is unplugged, okay? Dump that in just like that. Look at that. All about the pour, baby. All about the long pour, okay? It's in there. Boom. Shake it up. Shake it up, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, now. Anyway, I'm telling you, man, it gets wild up in here. All right, add as much as you like in here. I'm just eyeballing all this stuff. Good enough. All right. Now, you're going to need a blade. Slide this off to the side a little bit. Just cut the ends off. You're planting. And I always do this, like a little kid. Man, this stuff is, I'm telling y'all, man. Don't be afraid of fruit sugar, natural fruit. Everybody's going, I can't eat it because it's the sugar and I'm going to get fat. You're not going to get fat. Man, I've been doing it for 4.5 years and I haven't got fat. Jeez Louise, man. Learn how to eat, people. Good golly. Anyway, this recipe also goes out to my family. If you're watching, thank you so much. If you like these videos, you give it a thumbs up, okay? Sub to the channel. We're just going to cut these in chunks. Tuck your fingers in when you cut. Toss it in. I'm telling you, learn how to eat. If you want to stay healthy, you want to stay fit, you want to fight against aging and all these things, stay off the standard American Western diet. The American standard diet will put you in a grave. And you have all kinds of health problems, okay? I'm telling y'all, learn how to eat. Alright, so put this other one in. Cut chunks. Pop this in. Don't waste. Man, these are so good. So good. So tender. Okay. Get these other bananas in here. And you guys don't have to stay and watch me peel all these bananas, so I'm going to actually probably skip ahead. I hope everyone had a great day today. And this is just a very quick recipe. I've been really busy lately working on some projects, so I haven't been uploading as I normally do, but I will get back into it once this project is over. It's a really huge step for me, and I will let you guys know when it's all finished. Okay? Last but not least, the berry medley. Okay? Pack it in there. I almost forgot. 1 lime. You want a little bit of acidity just to kind of break up the sweetness a little bit, add a little bit more punch to it. All right? So I'm going to add 1 lime. That's like a crazy looking lime here. I don't know, this side seems like it. Let me see what we got going on there. Okay, that piece was, for some reason, just didn't look too right. So anyway, we'll just squeeze this in here. Get as much of this lime juice as you can. Okay. Okay. All left? All left. All right. All that's left to do is blend this bad boy up, okay? So, pop the lid on. Turn it on. But one thing that I like to do, because it gets a little quiet in here, it can be a little boring. So, DJ, can I get some blending music, please? Alright, I shouldn't have to say anything, shouldn't have to say nothing. As Bernie Mac used to say, I don't have to say nothing about it. Y'all know what time it is. But for all you rookies, new jacks and noobs, yeah, it's taste test time. 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 This is for you, Iron Mike. Let's rock and roll, baby. Let's roll. All right. So now, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you guys the truth. When I take my smoothies to work, this is what I take it in, and I drink the whole thing. I made one of these today, the exact same smoothie, and I drank the whole thing. This is, let me see here. It's 3 pints, 6 cups, and 1,500 milliliters. This is what I drink, okay? So if people are going to sit there and tell you, drinking these types of smoothies and, drinking fruit, not drinking fruit, eating fruit because all the sugar is going to make you fat, look at me, okay? It's not. It's natural, okay? Fruit is natural. That is what the Creator put down here for us to eat. I'm telling y'all, man, learn the facts. Learn the facts. And what I normally tell people too is look, you can't always go off of looks, but you can literally tell when people are eating bad. You know what I mean? Bad food will make you look bad, make you feel bad, just make you bad all the way around. You understand what I'm saying? So be careful of what you put in here. You only get one. All right? So please. Sorry, I got a little off track. But anyway, let's get this started. So first thing I'm going to do the taste test, like I said, and I'm going to pour a little bit in here, just to taste. That's all. That is all for right now, because the rest is going to be for later. All right, here we go. All right, here we go, baby. Woo! Here we go. Oh, man. I kid you not. This has to be one of the best smoothies I've ever made. This recipe, wow. Wow, 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 wow. I'm telling y'all, man. Wow. This is real. It really is. I'm not just putting on. This is good. And I would tell you guys if it wasn't. This is a very, like I said, it's unconventional. You know, with the plantain and the Fiji apple juice. Excellent. Encore, baby. Great stuff. And I will take and I will save this, and I will have this first thing tomorrow. And here we go. Look at that. It's all about the long pour. All about the long pour. Okay? Look at that. That's what it's all about. Here it is. I will drink this all day tomorrow. I will probably start around 9 o'clock. 9:30, 10 o'clock. That's when I have my first taste of this. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. It keeps pretty well. The lime will help keep the nice vibrant color. But, and I will drink this until about, let's say, 1 o'clock to 1:30 in the afternoon. This is what I'll have. And then I'll have my first meal. But I'm telling you guys, please sub to the channel. If you like this video, you give it a thumbs up. Learn the truth about eating. Going plant-based is the right thing to do. All right? And what I'm trying to tell people, if you can't go vegan 100% of the time, at least try to do it some of the time. And that's a new thing that I'm going to say, because you can't force people to do what they're not used to doing. You know, sometimes people have to see the results before they get 100% on board. But anyway, Sensei Vegan, thanking each and every last one of y'all for joining me. Sub to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Hello. Good night.